Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel CAD tutorials for beginners to advanced. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about the fillet and chamfer commands in Creo Parametric. So let's start with the new model. So let's click on the model, and again we'll keep the same thing here. Just click OK to create a model. So now here we are in the model view, and now let's create one sketch. So let me create one sketch on the top plane. So here we need to select the top orientation. So just create a sketch here, and let's say here we want to create a fillets, right? So there are different types of fillets. So if you see the circular fillet, circular trim, elliptical and elliptical trim, and then chamfer and chamfer trim. So let's create the rectangle. So first we'll see the chamfer first. So let's create one rectangle here. So I will create a rectangle on this side. Let's create this rectangle, and then the another rectangle I will create here. Okay, and we'll see the differences between the two. So the first is the simple chamfer. So in the image you can see in both the cases the edges are getting removed, but only difference is in this it will remain the dotted lines. So let's use the first one here and select the first entity and then second entity. So chamfer is created, and you can see there are these lines still available. Okay, so now again I will use the chamfer. No, not this one, the second one I will use chamfer trim, and here you can use the edge 1 and edge 2, and here you can see there is no trimmed edge. You don't see the dotted line even. So this is the only difference in between both these options, that is chamfer and chamfer trim. In chamfer we see these dotted lines, construction lines here, and in the chamfer trim we don't see them. So this is the only difference we have between these two chamfers. Okay, so again let's undo this, and we'll move on to the fillet part. So let's see the first type of fillet, that is the circular fillet and the circular trim. So here as well the same difference as like chamfer. In just a circular fillet we can see there is a dotted lines remains, and in circular trim there is no dotted lines after removing the material. But in both the cases the material is getting removed in both the trims. So let's select the circular one and try here. So again just select the two entities here, and it will create a circular chamfer. So let's provide some dimensions, let's say 25, and here you can see there are dotted lines available with the first type of fillet, that is a circular. Then let's try with a circular trim. Here I will try that. So just select this and select this, and then here you can see there are no dotted lines, but the material is getting removed. So again, if you just provide the dimensions to 25, then you can see that the difference between these two. Okay, then the next one is this is elliptical and elliptical trim. So again, instead of circular, the cross section is elliptical one, and the difference between the both elliptical and elliptical trim is the same thing. In elliptical we can see the dotted lines even after the removing material, and then in elliptical trim we don't see the material here, don't see the trim lines here, or maybe the dotted lines here. So just try this one, and we'll select these two lines. This only thing is this is not a circular one, this is the elliptical one, because you can see here we can there is no radius for this. We need to provide the dimensions. So with the dimensions it is getting control instead of the radius. So here now you can see I have updated 1515. So then ultimately it's becoming the circular one, but we can change it to other values as well. So this is the difference between this circular and elliptical. Just only here again we can see the dotted lines, and the other option is elliptical trim. The elliptical trim will not show the dotted lines after trimming. You can see here. So these are the fillet types in Creo Sketcher, and also we have seen the chamfer types as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please do like and subscribe our YouTube channel for such more videos. Thank you.